Good morning, student. So last class I was discussed about exercise 5.2, and now some few questions remaining. So these things I will show you. Okay, let's see. Now here written question number 9. What written? Simplify each of the following and express each as a rational number. What rational number? That means you have to write in the number into p by q form. Okay, so see here 2 by 3 whole bracket to the power 4 written, there 3 by 4 whole bracket to the power 2 written. Okay, so this one you write bracket, okay, 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4, okay, and then this one you write 3 square and 4 square, because this one is whole bracket to the power 4, that's why 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4, here 3 square and 4 square written. Okay, so now see, there 2 to the power 4 and there 3 to the power 4 is there, okay, and then 4 square you can write 2 into 2, that means it is 4, so this one you can write 2 into 2, okay, and square is there, and this one you write same, no problem. Understood? And then here 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4, and there 2 that means 2 square, okay, and there is 3 square, right? So next part, there 2 to the power 4 and 3 to the power 4 is there, and this one will use the exponential laws, no? So laws of exponents. So if a to the power m and over bracket again power m, then you multiply these powers, okay? So same thing will use there. Then here what are 2 into 2, that means 4, 2 to the power 4, and there 3 square. Okay, now see there is 2 to the power 4, there also 2 to the power 4, will cancel it, okay? And then what remain? After this, here remain what? There 2 1, there 1. So if you multiply this 3 to the power 4 into 1, then again 3 to the power 4, and there 1 into 3 square, then you write 3 square. Now see there, so in laws of exponent these things you got a to the power m or a to the power n. If like that have, then you write this power with minus, right? So see this law will use there. So now 3 square and there, and this power with minus, right? So now this is minus, this one is plus. Plus minus means minus. So bigger one, which one? 4. 4 side is what? Minus. So now 4 minus 2 is 2. So here written in question and rational number. So rational number, that means p by q form you have to write. So there this one you can write 1 by 3 square. Why? Because laws of exponents, a inverse you can write 1 by a. So now see this form is what? P by q form. So this one also you can write 3 square, that means 9, 1 by 9, so it is p by q form. Okay, so this is a form of the rational number. Understood? So see, now see question number 9, B and C do by yourself. Okay, now I will show you the question number D. So here bracket is there, so first you write this one minus you give, and 3 cube, whole cube is there, no? So here you write 3 cube, and for 4 also this cube, because whole bracket is there. Now here division sign, okay, and then here minus 5 cube and 2 cube, okay, and rest things you write same. Now here, so this one is 3 by 3 cube and this is 4 cube. Okay, this 4 one you can write 2 into 2, okay, and divide sign you give, and this one similar you write 5 cube and 2 cube. Okay, and their division sign you give. Okay, so now this one you can write 2 square, and above 3 is there, so their exponent is 3, their exponent is 3. Okay, now same, this one so minus, and there this will be 5 cube, this is not 553, so they are 5 cube. Okay, and this one will be 2 cube, so they are minus signs, so again you give bracket. Now see there, this 3 cube right there, and these 2 square and over bracket here, that means you will use this formula, a to the power m over n, that means a to the power mn, you will multiply it. Okay, so this is laws of exponents, so it will be 2 3 to the power 6, 3 to the 6. Okay, now their division sign you give multiply sign. Okay, and this division sign, that means this minus minus will cancel out. So now if it is division sign, then you reciprocate it. Okay, now 2 cube you write there and 5 cube you write there. Okay, and there 2 cube, that means same you write. Now after this 3 cube means what you say, so there 2 cube. Okay, so how many 2s are there? There is 6 2 and there is 3 2. Okay, so from there if you cut this one, there is 3 2, that means 1, then there will be only remain 3. Why? From 6, according to the laws of exponent, if divide is there, that means a to the power m minus n. So this one is divide, right? So this 6, this will be minus 6. Okay, there is, so now there remain what? 2 cube. Okay, there is 3 cube, and then here remain, because 2 cancel, 1 remain 5 cube. Okay, and their division sign. Okay, now see, afterward there 2 cube means 8 and 3 cube means 27. Okay, and then there 5 cube means 125. Okay, and their division sign, that means their 2 cube means 8. Okay, now this one you will multiply, then you will get 8 125, that means 1000. Okay, and then 27. Okay, now their division sign is there, then you give divide multiply sign. Now it is 1 by 8. Now see, if you multiply these two, then you will get 8000. Okay, so this is the answer. Hope you understood. Now see question number 10. Here simplify 3 by 17 to the power 11 and 3 by 17 to the power 7, and divide sign 3 by 17 to the power 8 and 3 by 17 to the power 10. So in this case you see their base are same, they are also base same. So according to the laws of expansion, they are laws of exponents. So here what you can, base are same, then power will plus. Okay, and if their division sign, then power will minus. Okay, so see, so their base same. So 3 by 17. So we'll use this one. Okay, so 11 minus, sorry, this will be plus because multiply sign is there. So there is plus. Okay, if division sign, then it will be minus. So same here, multiply sign is there. Okay, then power will plus. Okay, now see 3 by 17, and then 11 plus 7 is how much? 18. Okay, now same 3 by 17, 8 plus 10 is how much? 18. Okay, Now their division sign, you see, according to laws of exponents, division sign, then this minus, okay, m minus n. So here 3 by 17 and then 18 minus 18. Okay, so here 3 by 17, 18 minus 18, 0. Okay, so here written according to question what written, you have to write this power as a 10. So 3 by 17 after this, so anything to the power 0, that means 1. Okay, so this 1 you can write like that, because if you write if your base is 1, if you write your power is like that, then also your answer will come always 1. So that's why if I give power is 10, then okay, because according to question your result power will be 10. Okay. Okay. Now see question number 11. What it can determine the value of x in of the following. So see, so there 3 to the power 3 again bracket given, exponent given 7. So according to laws of exponent, if x to the power m whole bracket again power have, then you multiply this power. Okay, that means exponent you have to multiply. So we will use this laws of exponents. So here you see there are 3 and power, and again their power, then you multiply this power. Okay, so 3 into 7 according to this law. Now here we have 7x. Now see, you see their base are, if the base are equal, then you can cancel this one. So now you write 3 7 how much? 21, and they are 7x. Okay. Now see they are 3, you can cancel it. Okay, but here afterward what you mean, they are 21, they are 7x. Okay. Then afterward you write from there 21, then this 7 will come here. Okay. So now there is x. Okay. Now if you cut this one, 7 on the 7, 7 is 21. Now 3 is there, x. Here it will determine the value of x. We have to find out the value of x. So this way you can find out the value of x. Therefore x equal to 3. Okay. Now see question number B. Say here what will use laws of exponents. If this divide sign there, then x equal m minus n. Okay. So here you see the base are equal, then you write this exponents with minus. Okay, 11 minus 9, because the exponent is 11, there is 9, and there you write 2 to the power 2x. Okay, you have to find out the value of x. So now see, then 11 minus 9 is how much? 2, and there 2 to the power x. Okay. So now base are same, then no need to give equal sign. Just omit this minus base, minus 2 and minus 2, right? 2 into 2x. They are going to give any equal to sign. Now you get equal to sign. Okay. Now, therefore you can give therefore or. So 2, then 2 by 2 equal to. So this one you cut, then there is 1. Okay, now what? X equal to 1. Therefore, x equal to 1. Okay. So same way you can find out the values of x. Now see, these are similar like that. Okay. So they are 47, and their divide sign you write 47. Okay, and there will be minus because divide sign according to rule. Okay. M minus n. Okay. So now there is 21, and then 47, here 45. Okay. Now you just omit this 47, then you write x 21 or 45. Now x you write there, and you change the side. There 45 is there. Okay. Now this will change the side, then minus will come plus. Now you see 5 plus 1 6. Okay, and 4 plus 2 6. 66. So these are And see question number D in your book, here written 3 because this one will be x. Okay, so in book some printing mistake is there, so there will be x, but this one you do by yourself. Okay, thank you. Now see question number 12, here written simplify. So again, so we use this laws of exponent. Okay, so you see there, so same exponent and again exponent, there also exponents there. So first 1 by 3, then you multiply with this. Okay, so now if you multiply this, and this will be 2 into minus 2. Okay, and this one you give like that bracket, and then again there you see there minus 1 by 3, and if you multiply this, then this will be minus 2 to the minus 4. Okay, now there minus 1 is given. So now see afterward same here minus 1 by 3, and their exponent is minus 4, and outside bracket of minus 1 also there. Then again this one will multiply. Okay, and then now it is 4 into minus 1, so it will be 1 by 3. Okay, now minus minus it will be plus, so there is 4, 1 by 4. So they are negative sign, so this much you can write, no problem. So this B and C similar thing. Since there is simplification written, so here minus 1 to the power 4, that means if negative sign is there and in power is suppose even number, then it will be always positive. Okay, so here minus is, it will be positive, and 1 by 3 to the power 4, 1 there also 1 to the power 4, and this also 3 to the power 4. So 3 to the power 4 means afterward you write, so 1 to the power 4 means 1, and 3 to the power 4 means 3 into 3 into 3 into 3, that means it will be 81. Okay, so this is the answer. Okay, now see question number B and C done for you. Okay, so here in this one is same, and now there you see they are 2 by 3 and they are minus 5 by 2. So here inversely I have written what 3 by 2. Now here written 3 by 2. Why? Because you can write suppose A minus 1, then you can write 1 by A. Suppose 2, 3, there is minus 1 written, so you can write 3 by 2, it will be plus. Okay, these things use there. Okay, question number D also done for you. Okay, write out from there.